Have you ever wanted to just tell an image what to do? Like, make her wear sunglasses, add a water bottle in her hand, or change the rain to snow and make her smile. And it just does it? No complicated editing, no Photoshop, just a few words and boom, it happens. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you something that makes that possible. You won't believe how powerful and easy this is. This amazing AI tool will completely change the way you approach photo editing. I'll also show you some real-time examples of the incredible things this model can do. And the best part, it's absolutely free to try. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2AI. We're starting off by heading to the official Black Forest website. You'll find the link right below in the description and the pinned comment for quick access. This is Flux.1 Kontext, the next evolution of AI-powered image editing, developed by Black Forest Labs. It's fast, intelligent, and freakishly precise. You can upload any image, type what you want changed, and Flux.1 Kontext edits it surgically, without touching the rest of your picture. Unlike other AI tools that regenerate the whole image or get confused with edits, Flux Kontext understands context. That means consistent characters, cleaner outputs, and near-instant editing. All with just a prompt. Click on Get Started. Currently, the model is available in two versions, Pro and Max, and can be accessed through the Playground platform or via API. As you can see here, Flux Kontext is also integrated into other platforms like Freepik, Crea, and Leonardo. So these platforms have been given access to the Flux API as well. Now click on the option Try in the Playground. In the Welcome window, check the box confirming I'm over 18, then click Get Started. Log in with your Google account, or you can even sign up if you wish to. And just like that, we're inside the main image editing interface powered by Flux Kontext. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio of the image. Adjust the batch size. This means how many image variations you want to generate. I'll keep it at 4. You can also set your safety tolerance level. Below, you'll find the list of available Flux models. You can choose Flux.1, Kontext Pro or Max, depending on your preference. I'll go with Pro. Every account gets 200 free credits to start with. Don't worry, that's more than enough to generate and edit a good number of images. Below, you'll see some sample creations made by others using the Flux Kontext model. Let's begin with our first generation. We'll start by generating an ultra-realistic image of a woman. Make sure the Generate tab on the left is selected. I'll paste my prompt and hit Enter. Here are the 4 variations it generated. I like this one. To edit this image, just click the Edit button on the bottom right corner. Now type in whatever change you want to make. For example, let's say, she is wearing sunglasses and holding a water bottle in her left hand. Look at the results. It's incredible! It added both the sunglasses and the water bottle without altering any other part of the image. Now let's try another one. I'll adjust the aspect ratio since this is a vertical image. Just a heads up, friends, all images used in this video are AI generated. Let's try this simple prompt. It's raining. She is enjoying the rain. Now let's add remove hat. Hands wide open. And look at this. It's the same girl across images, and the background stays consistent. Let's try something different using the Edit tab. This image has a lot of watermarks. Just type remove watermarks. Wow! The watermarks are gone, and not a single detail is distorted. The image quality remains perfect. Let's try a more advanced example. I'm uploading an image of a man wearing an orange jacket. Now I'll type extract the orange jacket onto a white background. Product photography style. Look at this. Okay, sometimes it generates weird or freaky images. That's AI for you. But this one is perfect. Look at the jacket design. So clean, so sharp. Imagine how helpful this is for e-commerce sellers or photo editors. Now, let's change the facial expression of this woman. Prompt: it's snowing heavily. She is laughing. Here are the 4 versions. All look great. Here are 2 tone pieces of old black and white photos. Let's colorize one with the prompt. Color the image. Superb. Now, let's change the background. The couple is standing in front of a palace. Look how smoothly the background was replaced. The woman's face looks slightly different, but overall, it's impressive. Let's try different art styles. I uploaded an image and typed, convert this image into Pixar style. Here are the 4 outputs. Now let's try anime style, Simpsons, Style. Ghibli art style. Flux. Kontext handles all of them beautifully. Let's talk about typography. Flux Kontext is surprisingly good at editing text within images. Say I want to change the name of this product. The label says Mask Nivel. I'll type replace Mask Nivel with Aqua Herbal. Look at that. The text is replaced flawlessly. Now let's go a step further. Say I want an AI model to hold the product. Prompt. A beautiful girl with silky hair is holding this shampoo bottle. Here are the results. I like this one. Oops, I accidentally edited the image with the old label. No worries, I'll fix that now. This kind of editing power is a game changer for affiliate marketers, product designers, or creatives. Let's explore the fill option. If you want to add something to an image, use the lasso tool to mark the area. Then type a prompt like, a plate of cookies on the table. Hit enter. Boom. A plate of cookies appears exactly where we wanted. There's also an expand feature. You can use this to expand any image in your desired aspect ratio, but I'll skip it now to keep the video short. Feel free to try it yourself. These are just a few examples of what Flux Kontext can do. Feel free to explore and experiment with this incredible AI tool. I'm sure you'll love it. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech2 AI for more cool tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.